So, got this really cool idea. We're going to put this old retired band shirt I no longer wear on this guy here. And we're going to make some cool wall art. Because I'm tired of it just sitting on my wall, getting all dusty and everything, not looking all nice and legit. So I'm going to show you guys a good idea I got on the do-it-yourself ideas. So what I like to usually do is I'll set it over the canvas, get everything nice, straight, centered where you want it, wash it up, touch up some little dust areas, or see if you can get some grime off of it from sitting on the wall. But after you get it lined up and everything, then you just fold everything back, tuck everything in, and start tacking it together. So then what you'll do, after you get centered, staged where you want it, you'll flip it over, and it looks something kind of like this. Get it nice and flat, everything nice, good, where you're going to fold it over and thumbtack it into the corners here and there. And we'll go from there. You guys get everything done with the first step. This is what it's going to look like after you get done folding everything for the first tacking. Alrighty, that's all nice and tacked up there. This is what it looks like here. All we got left is to fold the bottom up there, and we'll see what the finished product looks like. Alrighty, all tacked up on the bottom here. All nice and tacked up. Let's flip her over and see what she looks like. Blam. Hello to us, art. Look at that. Legit piece.